This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by ParrMurphy. Golf course like new construction. Stately ranch home on the 13th fairway of the Pines Golf Course. Open concept living, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, main floor laundry, fully finished lower level. The lower level bedrooms each have a private bath. Low maintenance laminate flooring throughout completes the stylish charm of this home and makes it one you don't want to miss. Attached 2-car garage for all the toys. Rental ready as a turnkey operation. Good investment with rental options that can accommodate large families and groups. Close to Sand Valley Golf Resort and an abundance of outdoor activities. For more information, review the details below or contact ParrMurphy at 715-325